Hey everyone, did you know that most online store owners are unknowingly overspending every single day? Not on advertising, not on inventory, but on a crucial aspect: shipping costs. This is a problem we're going to tackle head-on today. Here's a shocking fact. The average e-commerce business overpays for shipping by 30 to 60%. That's hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars every month that could be going straight back into your pocket. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this problem. Let me paint a picture that might sound familiar. You're running an online store, orders are coming in, and every time you need to ship something, you either stick with the same carrier you've always used because it's easy, manually check 3 or 4 different shipping websites, or worse, just guess which option might be cheapest. Meanwhile, there are literally hundreds of shipping carriers available, each with different rates for various destinations, package sizes, and delivery speeds. Some might be 50% cheaper for your specific shipment, but you'd never know because checking them all manually would take hours. That's why you're consistently choosing shipping options that cost more than they should, and those extra costs either eat into your profits or get passed on to your customers, hurting your conversion rates. Before we dive in, quick heads up. We've partnered with this service because we genuinely believe it can save you money. There's a special link in the description that lets you try it completely free, and if you do decide to upgrade later, it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. I recently discovered this platform that completely changes this shipping game. It's called EasyShip, and here's what makes it different from anything else I've tested. Instead of you having to check different carriers manually, EasyShip automatically compares rates from over 550 shipping carriers worldwide in real time. We're talking about major players like FedEx, UPS, and DHL, but also regional carriers and specialized services that you probably didn't even know existed. But here's the really impressive part. It doesn't just compare standard rates. EasyShip has negotiated discounted rates with these carriers, meaning you can save up to 91% off regular shipping costs. That's a great deal, in my opinion, and you should take advantage of it if you have any e-commerce business running and shipping a lot of packages out to clients monthly. Let me show you exactly how this works in practice. When you have an order to ship, simply enter the package details, including weight, dimensions, and destination. Within seconds, EasyShip shows you every available shipping option sorted by price, delivery time, or whatever criteria matters most to you. You can see options you never would have considered before. Maybe there's a regional carrier that can deliver to your customer's city for half the price of the big names. Or perhaps there's an express service that's actually cheaper than standard shipping for that particular route. The platform also shows you the total landed cost for international shipments, including duties and taxes, so your customers aren't hit with surprise fees. This alone can significantly reduce cart abandonment and customer complaints. Once you select your preferred option, you can print the label directly from the platform. No need to visit multiple websites or remember different login credentials. Now let's talk about what this actually means for your business. First, the obvious one: money. Users report saving anywhere from 30% to 91% on shipping costs. For a business shipping 100 packages per month at an average cost of $10 each, even a 40% savings means an extra $400 monthly. That's $4,800 per year. Second, time. Instead of spending 10-15 minutes researching shipping options for each order, you can make decisions in under a minute. If you're processing 20 orders daily, that's 3 to 4 hours saved every single day. Third, customer satisfaction. When you can offer multiple shipping options at competitive prices, customers are more likely to complete their purchase and less likely to complain about shipping costs. Here's what I like about EasyShip. It integrates with almost every e-commerce platform you can think of: Shopify, WooCommerce, Amazon, eBay, Etsy, with over 60 integrations total. The setup process is surprisingly straightforward. You connect your store, sync your orders, and you're ready to start shipping. They claim it takes 3-5 minutes, and from my testing, that's actually accurate. For those worried about complicated software, the interface is clean and intuitive. You don't need any technical knowledge to start using it effectively. Now, you might be wondering about the catch. Is this too good to be true? The honest answer is that, like any tool, it's not magic. You still need to package your items and arrange pickups. And while the discounted rates are real, they apply to participating carriers. Not every single option will be discounted. Also, if you're only shipping 1-2 packages per month, the time savings might not be as significant for you. This tool really shines when you have consistent shipping volume. This makes the most sense if you're shipping more than 10 packages per month, currently using only 1 or 2 carriers, spending more than 30 minutes daily on shipping tasks, looking to expand internationally, tired of surprise customers complaining about shipping costs. Here's the best part. You can test everything I just showed you without spending a penny. EasyShip offers a completely free plan with no credit card required. I have included a link in the description below this video for you to sign up. You can connect your store, compare rates, and even ship packages to see the savings for yourself. If you want to try their advanced features, they also offer a 14-day free trial of their professional plans. I've put the link in the description below. Whether you're just starting out or you're doing significant volume, it's worth spending 5 minutes to see how much you could be saving. Don't let another month go by overpaying for shipping when the solution is literally a few clicks away. That's it for today's video. Before you go, don't forget to sign up for our newsletter. You'll get exclusive discount codes, the latest tech news, and early access to updates on the best software deals. The link to sign up is below this video. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and subscribe for more software guides and tech tips. Thanks for watching.